In the book Evening Talk, Sri Aurobindo says, you have to make choice. The individual is absolutely free in this yoga. If you make the wrong choice, I cannot protect you. The question is, how can we make right choice, and how can we know that our choice is right or not? Mother has answered that the things happen unexpectedly in our life. That is why we must have the awakened consciousness, which never goes back to the inconscient. Very important point Mother said. We must have the awakened consciousness, because things happen suddenly. Okay. Mind cannot take decision, because mental consciousness is a post-mortem consciousness. If the thing happened, thereafter it will make research. It cannot do the work of awakened consciousness. Awakened consciousness, what it will do? And that awakened consciousness is not that you are awakened for a particular time. Because when you are sleeping at that time, something may happen, you cannot be able to take a right decision. Awakened consciousness, which will never go back to the inconscient. That is the definition Mother has given. So what will happen? The moment something happens, it will simply call the divine, which it will not decide. It will simply call the divine, give me the guidance what I should do. And that will be the right action. But it is after a lot of sadhana, it is possible. Before that, Mother has given some solutions. One is an unshakable faith, which is not shaken by the outward circumstances. It will give you right indication. Though you don't know how, but it will give the right indication. That is the first point. Second point is, if you can surrender to the divine, if you do all work for the divine sake, then you will be able to do right thing in right way automatically before having the knowledge. That is also very important. If you surrender and you are willing to do the divine work always, then also you will get the right indication without knowledge. Knowledge will not be given to you, but whatever indication will be given, that is the right. You will know afterwards. The third point is this second point. Mother has given very beautiful message, saying that if you ask the trouble to go within yourself a little and ask the indicating heart, Mother, is this what you want for me? Tell me, Mother, what shall I do? Guide me. Ask me, there where I reside in you, within there, the heart. If you truly ask me, you shall always have the answer. So always you can ask with surrender attitude. You just simply sit in front of photo and you can ask, Mother, do you want this or that? If you are very sincere, you will get the answer. But Mother says that it will also take time to get that answer immediately. You must have the patience in this practice also.